The art of wealth. Achieving wealth through the law of attraction. This book is a practical, not a philosophical. It's an instructional manual for practical use, not a discourse on theories. This is designed for individuals who are primarily focused on their financial needs and are seeking to accumulate wealth before delving into philosophical pursuits. This resource is designed for individuals who have not yet had the chance to fully dive into the study of metaphysics, but are seeking practical results and are open to using scientific conclusions as a foundation for action, without delving into the detailed processes behind those conclusions. The reader is expected to have faith in the fundamental statements, similar to how one would trust statements about a law of physics action if they were proclaimed by reputable figures like Elon Musk or Nikola Tesla. By believing in these statements and acting upon them without hesitation, the reader will be able to prove their truth. Anyone who follows these principles will undoubtedly achieve wealth, as the methods used are based on precise scientific principles, making failure an impossibility. To assist those interested in exploring both the philosophical practical statements and establishing a logical foundation for faith, I will provide references from certain authorities. The holistic theory of the universe, which hypothesizes that one is all and all is one, originates from Hindu teachings and has been gaining influence in Western thought for the past several centuries. This theory suggests that one energy is responsible for the diverse elements of the material world. I have focused solely on creating a clear and simple writing style in this book, prioritizing the understanding of all readers above all other considerations. The plan of action outlined here was developed based on philosophical conclusions, thoroughly tested, and proven effective through practical experimentation. It is a highly effective system and when implemented correctly, works. To understand the process behind the conclusions, refer to the works of Emerson, Goddard, and Byrne. If you want to apply their philosophies in real life, read this book and follow its instructions precisely and do it on a daily basis. Please like and subscribe. Please support the channel with Buy Me a Coffee.